Want to deploy your website with free domain? Well, you're in the right spot because I'll show you how to get free domain on Wix.com. First, head on to a browser and search for Wix.com. Click Get Started and log in using your email or continue with Google. For now, I'll select Continue with Google and choose your Google account. It will redirect you into this interface. Just click Create New Site and tap Set Up Without Chat. Select the type of your website and click Continue. Type your website name and click Continue. Tap Continue to Dashboard. Now at the bottom, navigate the Design Your Website and choose either Generate a Design with AI or Pick a Template. For now, I'll select Pick a Template and choose a template and select Edit. Let's wait for a second. And the AI will prompt you an input like this, so we don't need it for now, so let's just cancel this. So if you want to customize more and add further details, so just click the quick edit. Since we don't need it for now, at the top right corner, select publish and click save and continue. Tap done and click view site. Now this is your free domain. If you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.